This is how you help a macaw preen. So during molting season, you'll find that your macaw is covered in these little pin feathers, and they can't reach the ones that are on their neck and head, so you have to help with that. So they're gonna look kind of like this. They have like a stalk. There's a good one down here. So that one's not ready, so she won't let me get that one yet. Yeah, Jerry. Yeah, Jerry. And you do have to wait until they're ready because they have nerves running through them. So you just kind of pet along until you find one. And once you do, you can kind of squeeze it between your two fingers here. And you can see it kind of just crumbles away. So you have to be super gentle. Yes, Jerry. I know. Are you done?